Okay, it's me, Jordan. I'm back with another YouTube video. I'm playing with this guy. He's been super nice. Where is he? Shout out to this guy. I accepted his friend request. Come on. Green. 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 Come on. Let's go. We can go. Wait, what? Presents. Oh my god. Now I gotta face the demon. The demon of demons. And, if you're watching this, Marks Marks 1, 2, 3, 5. He's pretty nice. Prepare to run. Prepare to run.
So what are you doing?
The monster is coming. The monster. The monster is gonna eat us. And then he's gonna swallow us. And then I don't even know what he's gonna do next. Wait, what? Got a key? Open the door. Open the door. Open the door. Yay! Okay. Get ready. Yes. Get ready. Get ready. Come on. We're gonna have to run soon. We're gonna have to run soon. Okay, so I need to tell this guy that it's the agent. Oh yeah, I finished the other thing. We were able to, we killed him, we won, because like, I said, it's the agent. Last time we killed the president, and we messed up. Oh, okay, come on. We gotta run. We gotta make a run for it. Oh my god. No. Run. Prepare to run. I wanna do the shoot. I wanna use the shot. I can't sleep. Do you see him right there? I just saw his eye. Guys. There you are. Oh, hello there. Prepare to run. The monster. Run. Stay here. Stay here. This guy's the king. He's like the best person. You should play with him. Are we safe now? No. Never think we're safe. Never. And I'm gonna end this once and for all. Oh my god. Wait, did he die? Did he just die? Wait, what? No! Oh, he died! No! Poor guy. Poor guy. I'm gonna finish this. That's just me. That's just me. I'm gonna try to finish this. I doubt I'm gonna finish this. I'll try. Okay. Yes, it's the phone. Okay, I'm gonna pause this and continue it later. I don't want this. What do we do now? The benefit. No. I will escape. Oh no. Oh no. Better not slip in these dang cups. Puppy embarrassed. No. Ah, my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't have anyone to help. No, to help me. Oh my god. He's right behind me. I'm gonna die by this guy. I'm just gonna keep on. He's directly behind me. My god. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes! I did it! I did it! I'm gonna end this once and for all. I'm ending this. Okay, I'm just gonna pause it until I get the gun. Sorry. This is con. Okay. So, I'll take the shot. Are you seriously not saying anyone's gonna take the shot? Nah, I want to. Me. Oh my god. I want to take it. Let me take the shot. Oh yeah. I didn't even know the gun is right there. I didn't even notice the gun there. Okay, I'm taking the shot. Okay, so from me seeing, it's alright. Good luck, guys. It's just me. No guys, my teammate. Can you even see my face? Oh no. Oh my god, my guy can't even sit down. Ah, it's the agent. Keep saying agent. What are you doing? We know about your plan to kill us. Duh. You're making a huge mistake. Am I? We are not monsters. Look who's talking. I'm going to show you. Last time we killed Donald Trump, or Ronald Trump, who will you shoot? It's the agente. Ching. Boom. I can't even see anymore. Oh, I wasn't supposed to see. I shoot like this. Pow. Yes! I knew it! It's the monster, Mr. President. Here's the first tip. Flip. A target takes it on access of this tip. I couldn't even say it. That is crazy. Thank you for saving my life. Congratulations, passengers. You saved the day once again. Wait. That's so scary. Let's go home. At least it's finally gone now. Bye-bye. Finally. I finished in 11 minutes. Okay, that's it for right now. Probably gonna make another one in like 5 minutes. So long. This is one thing I'm just trying to say. Look. Ooh. Oh. Oh. I really want to tell them, but at the same time, I'm gonna have to end the video there.